question 1 and 1 and 3, simplifying. Okay, question 1, simplifying. So we have A. So A, 3 minus 4 plus B, 7 plus 1. Oh wait.
Yeah.
B, 7 plus
Go.
1.
Correct.
Yeah, 7 plus 1. Okay, so it's. Oh wait, no, we're not supposed to factorize. We're supposed to simplify. Negative A plus 8B. Negative A plus 8B. Yeah, oh wait, 3. Find the cost of 1 kilograms of potatoes. So 3.6 kilograms of potatoes. So 3.6 kilograms of potatoes, and 2.8 times 2.65, because they cost 2.65 per kilogram, equals to 13.72. 3.6p is 6.3, and p is 6.3 divide 3.6, which is 1.75.
Okay, question 4a. The table shows the results of 4 more runs. On the scatter diagram, plot these points. Okay, so average speed 13.4. And then 4.2. So the first point would be over here. And then the next point is 11.8. And 5.7. Which is here. And then 9.8. And then 7.1. And then the last one, 8.3. And 8.8.
Wait, it's my turn?
Okay, for question 4b, what type of correlation is shown in the scatter diagram? So it's something like this, which is negative correlation. Question C, on the scatter diagram, draw a line of best fit. So it would look something like this. D. Use your line of best fit to estimate her average speed when she runs a distance of 6 kilometers. So it's here. You join here. Roughly 14. No, wait, not 14. It's 10.4.
Question 5. By writing each number connected to one significant figure, work out an estimate for t. You must show all your working. So for 9.2, rounded one significant figure, 50 minus 10 divided by 4 times 2, which should equal 40 divided by 8, which is 5. So the answer is 5.
Question 6. Without using a calculator, work out 2 to the times 2, 3, 4. So first we convert it into a improper fraction. 2 times 3 is 6. 8 third times 2 11 fourth, which is, okay, we can cancel this. Divide 4. 22 divide 3. Which is 21 divided 3 is 7, so it's 7 1/3.
Make x the subject of this formula. 5x is equivalent to 2y plus 7. X is 2y plus 7 over 5. Oh. 7 over 5.
Okay, for question 8a, 1, 2, 3, 5, and 7 are all common factors of two numbers. Write down the digit that all the two numbers must end in. Okay, so the only two numbers that if multiplied has a pattern here. It's 2 and 5. So for 2, it's only 2, 4, 6, 8, and 0. It must end with those. And then for 5, it must end with 5 and 0. So the only thing in common with 2 and 5, which is the only ones which has a pattern, is 0. So it must end with 0. Question 8b. Write 84 as a product of its prime factors. So 84 divided 2, it's 2 times 42. And then which is equal to 2 times 21, which is 2 times 3 times 7. 2, 2, 3, 7. Yes.
Okay,
So I'm
question.
just gonna write this 2 squared times 3 times 7.
Okay, question 9a. From this is put a ring around the correct calculation. 40 by 300% increases. So it says increases. So 1 plus 300 over 100, which is 4. So 40 multiply 4. That's the correct calculation. So that is the correct calculation. Okay, B. Magnitude vector 2, -3. Put a ring around the correct calculations. So it should be this answer because they aren't supposed to be negative. So then 2 squared plus plus bracket -3 close bracket squared, which is equivalent to 3 squared. So 2 squared plus 3 squared. So that's the correct one.
So,
Yeah, that's what you said.
you said whatever. For question 10, a town has a population of 45,000. The population increases exponentially at a rate of 1.6% per year. Find the population of the town at the end of 5 years. So it says increases exponentially, so it's compound. 45000 times 1.016, which is 100 plus 1.6 to 500. Okay. Yep, 1.016. And then at the end of 5 years, so it's the power of 5. That would give us 45000 times 1.016 to the power of 5. Which is rounded to the nearest 100 is 48700. Yep.
For question 11, find the values of A, B, C, and D. X is in between A and B, and X is 2. So then, and in this shape, the smallest value is -1 here. Wait. Restart. Okay, find the values of A, B, C, and D. So X is bigger or equal to A, and so A is -1 because A is this X value. And then the largest value of X, which is this area, the largest value of X, which is B, this will be, so from -1 to 2, it will be 3, a gap of 3. So here must be also a gap of 3, which is -1 plus 6, which is 6 minus 1, which is 5. Then C is smaller than Y, and the smallest value is 1, and D is 4. Okay, so
Okay.
A is like this, X is bigger, and X is smaller, X is bigger, X is smaller.
Why?
What?
Why?
Why?
Okay, for question 12, the interior angle of a regular polygon with n sides is 156. Work out the value of n. Okay, so 360 divide the number of sides equals to the exterior angle, which is 180 minus 156, 24. N equals to 360 over 24, which is 15.
Question 13. Write the recurring decimal 0.17 as a fraction in its simplest form. So, X is 0.17. Then 100x is 17.07. Wait, actually we'll do 10x. 10x is 1.77. So this is 1, this is 2. 2 minus 1. So 9x equals to 1.77 minus 0.17, which is 1.6. X is, in a fraction, 1.6 over 9 in fraction. 8 over 45.
Okay, for question 14, find the gradient of a line that's perpendicular to 8y plus 4x equals to 5. So they say gradient, so we don't have to put x, we'll just put a value. Okay, so the gradient for this, the equation for this line is 8y equals to negative 4x plus 5. Y equals to negative 4 divided 0.5x plus 5/8. Yeah. So the gradient for this is negative 0.5 equals to m1. m2, which is the gradient of a line perpendicular to 8y plus 4x equals to 5, equals to m1 negative is basically negative 1 over m1, which is negative. So 1 over 0.5 is negative 2. Yeah, it's negative 2, which is 2.
Question 15a, find the deceleration of the car between 60 and 100. So which is here and then here. Deceleration. So it's a negative acceleration, which is a deceleration. So it's definitely a positive value. And then 18 to 6, which is 12. And then 40. So speed over time, 12 over 40. So it's 12 over 40 meter per second. But 12 over 40, which is 3 over 10. 3 over 10. Calculate how much further the car traveled than the motorbike doing the 100 seconds. Okay, so firstly we'll need the car. C, which is the area of the car. We'll split this into two forms. Okay, we'll split it like this. So the car section, this is 60, this is 100, this is, the height here is 12. 12 is the height. Yeah, seems like everything we need to know to calculate. This is 6. This is 100. That's all we need to know for this. So the car is 60 plus 100, 160 over 2 times the height, which is 12. Plus 100 times 6, which is the area of the square. Car is 160 divided by 2, multiply 12, plus 100 times 6, which is 1,560. Then now the motorbike, which is m. During the 100 seconds, 100 times 12, what's 100 times 12, which is 1,200. 1,560 minus C minus N, which is 1,560 minus 1,200, which is 360.
Question 16. Factorize 6x squared plus 7x minus 20. Okay, so first we'll try 3x plus 2x minus. Okay, so 4 times 2, 4, 8, 4, 2, minus 5, 3, negative 7. Oh, so it's the same thing except the negative and positive sign are switched around. Now it should be 5, 3, and then minus 4, 2. Yep, 7. So it's 3x minus 4 and 2x plus 5.
Question 17a. Find the value of a, where a is an integer. F negative 2 equals 2. equals to 3 negative 2 squared plus a, which equals to 12 plus a. 19 plus 12 plus a. A is 19 minus 12, mental math 7. Okay, B1. Find GHX in its simplest form. G 3x minus a equals to 2 3x minus a plus 7, which equals to 6x minus 16 plus 7, which equals to 6x minus 9. 6x minus 9, done. 2g inverse x equals to y. Don't know what y is. 2x plus 7 equals to y. Alright, no, then later gy will equal to x. So 2y plus 7 equals to x. Make y something. So y is x minus 7. Y is x minus 7 over 2.
Okay, for question 18, the diagram shows a solid made from a cylinder and a hemisphere, both of radius 7 cm. The cylinder has a length of 12 cm. Work out the total surface area of the solid. The surface area A of a sphere of radius r is equal to 4 pi r squared. So if here's a hemisphere, it would be equal to 2 pi r squared. Well, excluding the bottom part, that is. And then for the cylinder, it would be equal, well, for this diagram, it would be equal to 24 pi, which is 12 times 2 pi r. No, 24 pi times radius, which is 7, 168. 24 times 7 is 168. And then that r, 2 times r squared, which is 49, would be 98 pi. Okay, so for a cylinder, it would be 150 pi plus pi r squared, which is 49 pi, which is 168 plus 49, 217 pi. So 98 pi plus 217 pi equals to, so that's the final answer. So it's 989.6 full stop. 989.6.
Question 19. In this Venn diagram, shape the region of this, in prime, which is all of this stuff. Union N, K, union N. So it goes like this. And then union P. So it goes like this. Try not to leave any markings outside everything, the universal, because then that's sort of like breaking the fourth wall. Oh wait, I didn't hide that. Color this. Okay, now that looks better. Okay, continue, Johnny.
Okay, for question 20, the diagram shows a cyclic quadrilateral. Find the value of y. Okay, so first we need to find the value of x. So 2x plus x, 3x plus 60 equals to 180. 3x equals to 180 means 120. And then x equals to 120. Divide 3, 40. X is 40. Okay, so 1 plus 4, 40, minus 87 equals to 180. Y equals to 180 minus 87 minus 4, 40, which is 180 minus 87 minus 40. Oh wait, it's plus 87. 180 plus 87 minus 440 is 107.
21, calculate PT. So this is 17, highlighter. 17.2. This is triangle. This angle here is 43. And then X. My triangle drawing is better than what they give me because they gave me no triangle. They gave me cuboid with line. 17.2, 43 degrees, not perfect. X not to scale. Anyways, X is, wait, firstly, how do you get 43? Sine 43 equals to X over 17.2. X is 17.2 sine 43. Which is 11.73. Okay, good.
Okay, for question 22, simplify x squared minus 5x over 2x squared minus 50. So the only thing we can simplify from the top is x. x1 minus 5. No, x times x minus 5. So the bottom should have something to do with x minus 5. Then first we will factorize the bottom. We can divide 2 from the bottom part. X squared minus 25. Oh yeah, so the top part. Oh wait. Oh, and hopefully, which is equal to over 2 times x plus 5, x minus 5.
That's the three numerators. X plus 5, x minus 5. You can factorize actually with the x.
Oh yeah. Then it would be x times x minus 5.
Yeah.
Cancel, which is equal to x over 2x plus 10.
Yes, because it's simplified.
Ta-da!
Okay. Find that expression in terms of m and n for AB. What if A is 2AC? So this is 2 to 1. Yeah, okay, B is midpoint of CD. So this is 1 to 1. In fact, I don't need these lines. Find an expression. I already said that. In simplest form, A, B, what is FD, I wonder? How do you get FD?
First you find FC.
I know. Wait, how do you find FC? Oh yeah, you can find FC. So FC. Wait, FD is M minus N plus M, which is 2M minus N. Wait, hold on. Wait, FC. Wait, FA. FA is. So if FC is M minus N, so then AC must be 1/3 M minus 1/3 N plus half M. Wait, no, half M is theta. This is, so then A, no, this is AC. So AB is 1/3 plus half, which is 5/6 M minus 1/3 N.
2/3. Oh yeah, 1/3. Sorry.
Write down 2 facts about vectors GH and JK. So we have 2P plus Q on both sides, so they're definitely parallel. GH is parallel, which is double line, with JK parallel. Don't know how you. I think it was spelled with 1 R. Parallel. And we need to state another fact. And the other fact is that GH is bigger than JK. How many times? 3 times of JK. Let's see, 5. Okay, so then these things you can sort of cancel. 5, 18 multiply 3 is 5/6. Yeah, okay, done.